Flavor is very fragile in coffee. Coffee roasting is a combination of art and science. In the end, you want to bring coffee right to like kind of its full potential. The way we roast coffee is we take green beans, the green bean itself, put it in our oven, and then we drive the temperature up. Not too much goes on in the beginning. It probably starts roasting at about 160 degrees and then slowly climbs. We've got an oven that's spinning, driving force and energy and heat through the drum to heat that coffee bean.
We use a drum style roasting, so it's an infrared heating block. When we put the green bean into the top of the roaster and drop it in, it's tumbling over this heat source. And so the heat source is a nice consistent distribution of heat, which is great because unlike flame roasters, you don't get the burn marks, you don't get that inconsistency throughout the drum.
So when we get to 400 degrees approximately, we reach a status called first crack. The beans themselves are starting to pop. We can actually hear the skin popping off the beans. So now at this point at first crack, we know the water is starting to evaporate. So as it evaporates, all the flavonoids become released. They start coming together to create flavors. As you get the second crack, you start sampling the coffee in the drum to have a visual of it. You want to see the color of the beans because your eye is trained to pick up that color and to know that that color tastes a certain way. In addition to that, we're looking for those oils, like I mentioned earlier, to just start popping on the surface or sweating a little. That's how we know that we are fully evaporated all the water, the skin is all gone, and now that flavor that was in there is probably at its absolute peak value.
What's great about it is if you're sensitive to time and you're very patient and you keep the burner down, you can really bring out all the high notes. And so our technique takes more time. It's really slow cooking. You need time to develop flavor. Well, that's what we've been doing since 1995.